I will never yell at my dog again after learning this. Everybody is looking for training that actually works. Here's the simple fix. Tip 1. Positive reinforcement wins. Mark the exact moment they do it. Use a clicker, say, yes, then reward. Tip 2. Keep sessions short, 3 to 5 minutes, multiple times a day. Tiny wins add up. Tip 3. Gradual difficulty. Proof the behavior in real settings, not just the living room. Treat swaps. Replace high-calorie biscuits with small pieces of cooked chicken carrot sticks, air-popped pumpkin. Bonus, use part of their kibble as training treats to avoid overfeeding. Quick routine plus healthy treats equals happier dog, less chaos. Go train.